element to demonstrate how my pair production thing could work. So this is, I'll start again from scratch. Let me just remove the currently loaded data. I've had some problems when I'm using this using a screen recorder at the same time. I'm not quite sure why. Anyway, so here we go. Add A, B, and C. So let's just making an element that adds these three things together. And I'm still debugging it, so hopefully this should work. Now here's my previously edited elements. So I could just load what I was doing before by clicking that, but I won't. Let's make it again. So I'm going to say, let's call it adds A, B, C. Yes, A, B, C. Adds plural. Now, I'm going to use Polymer's two-way data binding, which is these to show the four variables: A, B, C, and the result, let's call it R. Then the input that I'd like to put in is A. Let's give that 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 3. So now we have our simple web component, and that's how we'd write it out. And it's coming out as A, B, C. There, so 1, 2, 3. Let's put notation between them to make it clear what's happening. So now we've got 1 plus 2, 3 equals, and then the result. So first of all, let's add a function. Adds, and it has some attributes, A, B, and C, and this returns A plus B plus C. So that there we have our function. Now let's have our attribute R that is computed by adds A, B, and C. And there we go. So as you can see, it's coming out as A, B, C, and we're getting A plus B plus C, very literally, because these are being interpreted as strings, as you might expect, being HTML attributes. Now, let's add A as an attribute as well, and let's get this to be coerced into a number. So now A is 1. Let's also add B. There's a number. And now we're getting A and B added together, which is 3, plus the string 3, which is 3. So now if I add C, we should get 6. as you can see, 6. And obviously we can change these numbers to be 5, 4, and then we get 5 plus 4, 12. Simple. And I'll just quickly show you the code that it's made. Now, this is the bit of HTML that's made so to show you the demo. Let me expand that out so you can see the whole thing. There we are. And that's our template, which is displayed as a block, which is why we get demo there. Obviously we could just have it very simple, shown as like this. And here's our A, B and C are all now declared as numbers. Our result, which is computed by adding them together, and here's the function that adds them up. We're just using polymer, so our barrel file dependencies is just polymer. And this is just a stub out of the tests, testing, but with Chrome in the normal default state. This correct does it with the shadow DOM rather than the shady DOM. And yeah, so this isn't actually used it to make the demo run. These are tests stubbed out for you to work with, and of course the Travis YAML file so that the tests actually run. And this is all shareable via this link here. If I open that in a new tab, you can see it all load from the data in the URL. So I don't need to store anything. As you can see, the test runs there. And as I edit the attributes, that edits the demo and also edits the link. So if I now open that one in a new tab, you'll see that already is obviously updated. And in my loaded things, I have it ready so I can just load it up again and use it. I'm eventually hoping to have these loadable as elements to use once, so you can make an element and then use that element in the next element that you're making, and then I think we'll be ready for everyone to play with it a bit more. Great, that's all I wanted to share.